Right, in today's video, I am going to take you through this arbitrage trading opportunity. Arbitrage is simply buying it at a lower price and selling it at a higher rate and making some returns on your investment. We have two types of arbitrage, either cross trading arbitrage or within the same platform. But this arbitrage I'm going to show you is within cross trading arbitrage, where we are going to buy the coin at a lower rate on different platform and we sell it at a higher rate on different platform. You can see that on this platform the coin Kion is 1669, and when we go to this platform it's currently trading at 1559. However, there are things that you should look at before you trade. Okay, if you want to enter arbitrage trading, there are certain things that you need to look at before you enter. You don't just see the price as this, then you start investing, because you may end up losing everything. So you need to take your time and enter and look at things, how the market structure looks like before you invest your money. So today I'm going to use $50 and then do this simulation for you to see how much profit we will make. And by the time you may receive this video, if this arbitrage opportunity is not there, don't take it as if it wasn't there. Arbitrage changes from time to time, so you're gonna have time and study the market again and choose different coins. Okay, and I have a video which I have make about how to find these arbitrage trading opportunities. I'll leave the link in the description section so that you can watch the video on my channel. Okay, so this is the starting. So let me just, that means if you buy $50, this is how much we are going to get. So I'll copy the same thing. That means we will make extra let me paste it again. So we are going to sell here, we are going to make extra 2.8 USD. So in case this arbitrage opportunity still lasts and you can make it over and over, there is no time or limited for these arbitrage trading opportunities. There are always opportunity, and if you do, you have to consider the fees, how much they are going to deduct when you are withdrawing and how much you are going to get when you want to withdraw the coin or this currency into different platform. Okay, so this is how you should do it. So let me go back and then start with the platform. So now we have bought with our $50 here. So we have bought our $50 price of Kion. Okay, $50. So we want to sell, we want to buy $50. Okay, $50. We have had our Kion, so we now copy it, we copy. So before you do, you need to do the stimulation first. Okay, so we go back to asset, then we want to withdraw. So we want to check on the Kion coin. So the first thing, you have to check the coin if you can withdraw the coin. Okay, so this is it. That means here you can withdraw the coin. So let's go back to the other platform and check if we can deposit. Okay, if we can deposit Kion coin. So let's search for the coin. So deposit which coin on chain. Okay, we now search for the coin that we want to deposit. Then we search for Kion. Okay, let's search for the Kion coin if there's opportunity for us to deposit. This is the Kion, right? So this is the Kion coin. Let's see, and it is on Ethereum network. So after you see that you can deposit this coin, what you should do next is to check the deposit address. Okay, this is on Ethereum network address. So on Ethereum, can we deposit this, and how many minutes will it take to arrive? Okay, so if you have seen that you cannot deposit, fine, let's go back to this platform. Then the next thing you should do is to check the trading the fees. Okay, you check the fees, how much are they taking. They are taking, like, on this platform they are taking like $1, that's 90 cents, 98 cents, approximately $1, and expected time should be less than 1 minute or 1 minute for it to reach that platform, so that you can sell it quick and then you make money. So remember that we're going to withdraw from this platform. So now the profit that we are going to make, we will have make like $1.82. Okay, we have make like $1.82. That means we'll still make $1 profit when we deduct that currency, when we deduct the $1 fees from it. Now there are things that you guys should look at. In this case, let's say we have $100. If you have $100, what I will tell you here is deposit $100 into these platforms. Okay, we are using these two platforms, which is Gate.io and Maxi. So what I normally do is I will deposit $50 to Maxi and then $50 on let's say Gate.io, because I can find opportunity on Gate.io and find another opportunity on Maxi. And now if I deposit my money on Maxi and it's not time for me to sell, or I didn't get the liquidity to sell my coin and make profit, I can use the one on Maxi. Maybe there's opportunity there, I can trade with that one and then make profit on it. Okay, so this one, the next thing you should check here is the liquidity, how much people are willing to buy, because it's here that we are going to sell it. Okay, we are going to sell our coin on this platform. So let me do the stimulation. That's 52.9 is what we will make if we are selling to current price. And you see that the coin that we want to sell is around 317,000. Okay, and this is how much people are willing to buy, which is 31,000, 43,000, 610,000. That means from this point to this point is where we will make profit. But if they are buying it at lower prices, 15 on this side, we will not make much profit. We will not make profit. Yeah, so if for you to make profit, it should be from 1610 to 1665. That's where you will make 16.8. So how much? What will you do now? Now you can choose to sell it. You can choose to sell it at exact price. So let me do something for you here. You can choose to sell it at 1665. Okay, so when you sell it at 1665, you are going to make those 31,000 will be sold out of it. Then you can set the price again at 1628. Okay, 1628. Okay, you see that the profit has been decreasing as the price that we are selling also decreases. The profit has also been decreasing. Okay, and what I want you to do here is, if the coin here is low, if the plus sign is low, you can put the coin there for some time, or you can set the coin to the exact market price, which is 16.69. okay, and you wait there. If the market will not go against your trading section, that means you will make profit on this one. Okay, so it is very important to always check the liquidity. It's very important, because if you don't check the liquidity and you just jump into it to do it, you may lose your profit and even your capital. And then you see that when you are transferring, they also deduct some fees, so you may end up paying the fees for nothing. Arbitrage is real, but it takes a lot of time to do these things. Thank you very much, and I hope you really enjoy this video. Subscribe to the channel if this is your first time. Thank you very much.